So welcome back, guys, and we are in Palermo today, and this is the Zisa Palace. And here, this is the garden of the Zisa Palace. Today I want to share something about this place, but mainly about four things: the palace, the garden, and a very specific stone inside the palace, and the devils of the Zisa Palace. Let's start with the palace. This palace stands as one of the most beautiful examples of Arab Norman architecture, a cultural fusion carved in stone. Zisa comes from the Arabic word al-Aziz, meaning the splendid, the dear one, the noble. And this palace was built for the Norman King William I around 1165. At the time, he was the Norman conqueror of Sicily. It was only finished in 1189 under the ruler William II. Now, what is important to know is that the palace was conceived as a summer residence and also as a part of a large hunting resort known as genoardo, which again in Arabic means paradise on earth. Here it's hot, very hot during summer. So now imagine stone channels, water flow and air circulation. Yes, the idea was simple but effective. Water will flow through the structure, cooling the stone, and the stone will cool the air. This is a perfect balance between architecture and nature. But now let's talk about the outside. Here, the garden, located just in front of the palace. This garden is basically a remarkable example of an Arab garden, including fountains, lemon tree, orange tree, palm tree. And here, this old water channel goes up to the palace and up to the fountain room. And this is worth to mention, the fountain room. Why? Because it's exactly where we can find the mysterious and very famous fresco painted on the entrance room. Now, this painting is depicting grotesque and mythological figures and has inspired a popular legend. Legend holds these figures guard a hidden treasure, and they are impossible to count. If you try, they will move. 3 points about this. Point number one, the figures are arranged in a spiral, causing the viewers to get dizzy and, of course, to lose count. Point number two, some figures look like devils, and they have tails and even horns. Point number three, popular tradition claims that on some specific days, such as the 25th of March, the devils move their tails. I came here several times. I am from Palermo. When I was young, I was really living close by the castle. I came here at different times, and even now, I tried to count all the single figures, and believe it or not, the first time there were 20, another time they were 17. According also the guide inside the palace, Mr. Giacalone, these figures are only 20. Now let's talk about the stone inside the palace. The palace houses an Islamic art museum, and inside we can find different things, but there is one very important thing, and is a marble tombstone commemorating Anna. Who was Anna? Anna was the mother of a royal priest. Why this stone is so special? Because this stone features a text in 4 languages: Arabic, Greek, Latin, and even Jewish. This stone illustrates the multicultural atmosphere of Palermo, where Arab craftsmen, Greek scholars, and the Jewish community, together also with the Norman rulers, coexisted all together. So my final thoughts about this place is amazing. But my mind goes back, how come 1,000 years ago they were working all together, cooperating all together and making a place like this? I mean, the genoardo, paradise on earth. And how come today we are not able to do things like that, not even close? Everything comes down to two words, probably: cooperation and respect. If I imagine those kings working together with all these people with different background and different languages and different faith and different beliefs, I mean, it wasn't easy to accomplish all of this. In order to work on something so big and beautiful, the cooperation needed to be perfect, needed to be very spot on, and also the respect that they had to have for each other, and the respect that they also had for this place, for the nature that they found here, these Norman conquerors. That was beautiful. These are the stories that they should inspire the new generation. 1,000, okay? 1,000 years ago, they made this. Guys, Pittesaf from Palermo, that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.